Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe my Australian immigration story. So guys, my Australian immigration story started back in 2013. Why in 2013? Because in 2013, after staying in Canada for 11 months, I was sent back to India, and I was not in good mood because I just missed to realize my Canadian dream by 1 month. Otherwise I would have been eligible to apply under CEC, and I was totally shattered, but I had to fight back. So I was looking for all the possible options I could do. So by doing research and all, I reached Australia. I thought I should go after Australia, and but it was not an easy thing, and it was full of complexities. So that's what I'm gonna say. Okay, one thing is IELTS. So IELTS I prepared. I got 8 band. That is fine. Next, it's like in Canada, like how you do ECA. There are agencies you go and you file. In Australia, it's almost similar, but it's occupation based. So for IT jobs, it goes to ACS, Australian Computer Society. So I filed my application with Australian Computer Society. The problem that surfaced with me was they did not recognize my non-IT graduation degree at all. They did not even open it, they just left it. What they did was like I had some Microsoft certifications. They they made it equivalent to Australian diploma. But the problem then I got was like because of making my education qualification equivalent to diploma, I was losing 5 crucial points. And for education, I just got 10, and then they reduced 5 years of experience. So I was not getting any experience at all. But I had a positive assessment, but still I had to meet the points. Even after scoring too much in arts, I wasn't able to get through. Now I had to take some drastic measures. I tried to do a lot of research, but still I was not able to get through. So I thought I should do something that uh, my degree gets recognized. If ACS not, what other option I have? Somehow I reached to VETSS. So in VETSS, there is point test advice. So I filed a point test advice with them, and what I told them that I just want my degree to be evaluated, and to be allocated points based on that. Just evaluate my degree. So they evaluated my degree, and they said that it's equivalent to Australian degree. Now here I got the bingo that okay, ACS did not recognize, but VETSS recognize. Both are skill assessment authorities, so I can claim 15 points now. The point system then back in 2013-14 were completely different, and by now I was in 2014. So that's good. My this was recognized. Next what? Still, I was not able to make into the qualifying area because of the cutoffs. Minimum cutoff was 60, and I was not getting any call. So what could I do? Like for 189 skill independent, I wasn't getting any call because my occupation was under pro rata with very high number of candidates. The cutoff was going up. Now I had to do something else. During those days, there were uh, some different options were available. Like 489 visa used to be there. Then 190 was also there. 190 is still there. So I thought I should go after these. So I went to every state, every regional area, migration criteria, and nowhere I was getting any option. Then somehow I reached Victoria. So in Victoria, there was an option to get through this through my occupation, but still there were some additional requirements. Requirement number 1, IELTS score 7. So that I had met. Number 2, 3 years of experience. So there I again had a doubt that when they said 3 years, does it mean 3 years in total, or does it mean like 3 years after positive skill assessment? Like they give you the skill assessment gives you like date of suitability after date of suitability, because they had reduced my 5 years of experience because of that. So now I sent an email to Victoria Migration. Luckily, it fell in my favor that no, 3 years of total work experience. So I said like, okay, I have a very thick and huge wall standing in front of me, but I have a small sneak. Can I make it? Let's go after it. So I applied for Victoria nomination. It took around 15 weeks and it turned out to be successful. That Victoria all nominated me for, so now I'm gonna get 5 additional points, and most importantly I was getting through 190. Like 190 used to be, still it is prioritized visa because the state nominates you. It is similar to PNP in Canada. So then I filed my expression of interest, and then the nomination was applied to it, and I got call in the next draw. Wow, it used to be bi-weekly by then. Nowadays it happens quarterly in Australia. So then I got the invitation to apply. And I applied. Then in December last week I applied from India, and I am in 2014. Then in 2015 December, now January first week, like within days my PR was approved. And in the month of February I went to Australia to make a tour or to activate my visa. After that, because I got settled in Canada itself, I never ever went back to Australia, and I let my PR to expire over there. But still I am happy that whatever I tried, ultimately I was successful in it. Thanks for watching this, guys, and please subscribe to the channel.